new device on the system, and I'm just going to make a quick video to show you what that device may be. You might remember this from my most viewed video, which is cringy, because it's not a very good video, but it was the video where I explained some of the devices that I got for Christmas 2017. And this was one of them. So yeah. It's just a strobe, really. It's just a beacon. Yeah. I don't really know what else to say. I tell you what I will say though. This detector is going. Actually, it might. I don't know if I've decided for the next test yet. This might either be staying but getting a sounder base or going. What type of sounder base it's getting, but yeah. Series 65. I actually glued the label back on. This detector I got used. That's why the label's like, it looks like it's a treasure map or something. That's how gross it looks. But this has been cleaned out just the other day. So I thought I'd take the opportunity to stick the label on. Anyway, yeah. So let's test the strobe. Turn the system on. Wait. Yeah. I have to remember to edit that out. It just put the call point in the shot, and that's a secret for next test. Turn the sounder down again. It's too loud. You see it reflecting. And yeah. So, don't know if it was easy to pick up on the camera, but you can actually hear the strobe click, and it don't know why, but this strobe is really, really fast. Well, it's not really, really fast, but it's a bit faster than normal UK strobes, or normal EN54 23 compliant strobes anyway. I hope you enjoyed this video on this strobe, and I think the next video I upload will be the next test, so I will see you then.